In this video, I'll show you the top store protection apps for your Shopify store. We'll be going over the top apps here as well as their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. So first up, we have Sales Shield Store Protection. So it's going to help protect your store against unwanted access, spy trackers, content copies, EMCA. So it's going to block spyware extensions if they're attempting to spy on your store. It's also going to block any fake sales. It's going to disable things such as inspection elements when people can inspect the HTML on your store. It's going to block keyboard shortcuts as well. You can also block things such as right clicking or text selection. Maybe people are trying to save all your images and copy all your content. You can also block specific countries or specific IP addresses. You can also geo redirect as well. Let's say you only want customers to go to a specific version of your store. In terms of pricing, there's a free plan that includes some features such as disabling right click or blocking countries, and paid plans start at $4.99 a month or $41.92 per year. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a really good 4.7 stars, with one of the latest reviews saying does what it says. They got tired of spam mailers from crawling their site, and this app was working great. Next up, we have an app called Captain Shipping Protection, which is going to help protect both you and the customer. This is going to help you offer shipping protection to your customers while earning revenue while protecting every order. So it's going to allow customers to add package insurance, and it's going to make it really easy to simplify claims and build trust. You can control the full journey here, as well as have a seamless claims experience. And it's going to provide data-driven protection that pays off with trust. Higher margins with a stronger brand, and you can protect your brand reputation. You can also customize everything to be in different languages. So to note, they're not an insurance firm, they don't underwrite plans, but you can add this upsell for digital products as shipping protection. In terms of pricing, it starts at $11 a month, and it's 3.99% shipping protection fee. And for Shopify Plus stores, it's $49 a month. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with over 200 5-star reviews. And merchants highly value this app for quickly increasing average order value and enhancing customer trust by offering item protection. Super easy to set up and fully customizable. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have all your different costs from your cost of goods sold, all your ad spend, transaction fees, chargebacks, and much more. And that's where our sponsor PRODKIT comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator that makes it super easy to get the exact profit that your store has made. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking to analyze, and it's going to give you all your profitability metrics, as well as a ton of different analytics, so you can start making smarter business decisions. And it syncs seamlessly with your Shopify store, so you can get set up in just seconds. I'll leave a link in the description below. There's a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself, and their customer support is great. Just click the chat bubble in the bottom right here. So again, I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you check that out. Next up, we have Sammy B2B Lock Password Protect. And it's a powerful tool to limit access to stores' content such as products, price, wholesale pages, and URLs. So this lets you do things such as hide the price. You can target by customer tag or market, and you can set this to apply to specific products or hide on Google. And you can lock it with a login or passcode. You can also hide specific products or hide specific pages. So you can protect your storefront with a password gate as well before customers can access everything. And you can have scheduled lock rules as well. This also allows you to let your wholesales access limited sections with multiple approaches such as account login, passcodes, or opening secret links. In terms of pricing, it's free to start with one lock creation. You can add a maximum of 10 products in one lock. Pricing looks to be based on your Shopify plan, starting at $9.90, going up to $29.99. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 800 plus 5-star reviews. And merchants highly recommend this app for managing product and collection visibility in B2B and wholesale setups. Lastly, we have an app called Store Protection and Spy Blocker. So you can do things such as blocking countries, disabling right clicks, blocking VPNs, and you block your IP as well as copy and paste. And it doesn't require any code to get set up. So it makes it super easy to set up your country blockers as well. And this prevents other merchants from copying your content. For the free plan, it includes disable right click, disable text selection, and the keyboard shortcuts, as well as a legal log. Pro plans start at $2.99 and they go up to $6.99 a month. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 50 plus 5-star reviews, and merchants highly recommend this app for its comprehensive protection features that secure store content, including images, videos, and text. So this concludes the video here on the top protection apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.